check this out. Got something pretty cool. You ready for this? You ready? The Santa Monica Public Library Auditorium. Now, why is this so cool? Well, on August 22nd, from 7:30 to 9, we're gonna be right here for Get the Good Guy Seminar. An awesome seminar that's gonna be breaking down the 3 keys to attracting a good man into your life. So, maybe you're new to the singles world and you wanna learn some new tools to get some good guys into your life. Or maybe you've been out there for a while and you're sick of all these bozos and all these bad boys. I wanna help you out with that too, right? But first thing you gotta do is follow the link below to getthegoodguy.com. See, there's only 136 seats here, and I want you to grab one of them. So if you follow the link, put in your name and your email, you got yourself a seat, and it's totally free. So check out getthegoodguy.com, put in your name, put in your address, send the link to your girlfriends and make a ladies' night out of it. It's gonna be so much fun. It's gonna be entertaining and empowering. The first thing you gotta do, follow that link, and I'll see you soon. And I'm gonna save you that seat right there, for sure. It's the best seat, okay? Sign up right now.